Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mac if you're new here, and today I want to share with you some exciting news for my print-on-demand sellers that use Printify. So first I want to mention one of the most game-changing features in my opinion, because this really just does up the stakes of print-on-demand. So Printify just launched a express delivery option, which means you will be able to offer your customers on your e-commerce store express delivery that will get to them within 2 days. This is a game changer for print on demand because this is not just express shipping where we are, getting a faster shipping for the customer. We're actually expressing and expediting the entire order, which means from the time the order is submitted into the production partner, your customer will receive it within 2 days as long as it is done before 1 p.m. So this is a really big deal because the faster we can get things to customers, the more appealing your listing is going to be. So this is going to help you to stand out against competition and to be able to compete and have more of a market standing when it comes to other companies like Amazon or even the print shops that are creating and selling and not using print providers on websites like Etsy. So I'm very excited about this for the main reason being that we're about to be in Q4. The holidays are coming up, which this is a game changer because when it comes to the holidays, not only are you going to have a longer cutoff time that you can actually sell print-on-demand products to your customers, but again, people are last minute. So this is a really, really great thing that's going to help you rank higher among shops that aren't offering express delivery and can't sell their items for that longer period of time. So normally when it comes to the holiday season, us print-on-demand sellers, we like to have a pretty long-term cutoff for special holiday deliveries. So when it comes to Christmas, when it comes to New Year's, Thanksgiving, right? We like to under-promise and over-deliver. If we are able to offer an express delivery, we can sell up to a few days leading into these holidays, which is great because again, last minute shoppers are such a thing. And so this is going to help you increase your order volume if you do choose to offer this. So I do want to mention that there are a few things to note when using this service. So I'm going to go over to the Printify website and share them with you just so that we can both get a better understanding of it and you know what to expect if you are to offer this feature on your print-on-demand store. So as they're showing on the website here, the cutoff for the order to be guaranteed in 2 days would be 1 p.m. in the time zone of the order destination. So something to keep in mind there. You always want to put that on your store in that specific listing if you are offering this. And they're showing, let's say the customer orders it on a Monday before 1 p.m. They will receive it around Wednesday afternoon, obviously depending on their mail, but they will have the item on Wednesday. In this demonstration here, it says if somebody orders after 1 p.m., it's going to be more like 3 days because that needs the day to process and ship the order. So let's talk about the pricing because obviously to expedite the order, there is going to be a bit of a price increase. Printify is offering this for $3.24 in addition to the cost of your item already. That means the product cost, shipping cost, plus that $3.24, which honestly is not bad at all. Customers are willing to pay more if they do feel the item is going to get there faster. A lot of times the carts will be abandoned because of this. They will choose somebody else with faster shipping. So people like to receive things quickly. We live in the instant gratification, the instant delivery world, especially when competing with Amazon, right? People can literally overnight stuff. So this is huge in my opinion. And it'd be a really cool idea just to charge a little bit more for shipping and then offer this on your items and say, hey, I can get it to you within 2 business days as long as it's ordered before 1 p.m. your time, which really, really cool. So the only 2 items that you can do this with right now are 2 types of t-shirts because t-shirts are the #1 print-on-demand seller. So I do understand why that is the option right now. So we do have the option of the Gildan 5000 in most sizes small to 3XL, black, white, navy, and gray. And then the Bella Canvas 3001, which if you know, that is like the t-shirt in sizes small to 3XL as well. And they have that in gray heather, athletic heather, navy, black, and white. So we're showing the most popular colors and sizes for the 2 most popular t-shirts. Makes complete sense. And Printify is saying that they hope to offer this with more products soon. So I'm hoping for Q4, we are able to do this on mugs and other items as well, like sweatshirts and hats and stuff. Because there is only those 2 t-shirts, Printify is doing this with a limited supplier meaning that this isn't going to be offered by every print supplier. So let's say you use a specific print supplier every single time on Printify, it may not be offered with that supplier. So that's something to keep in mind. And due to the timing of it, you're giving Printify the option to pick which supplier is going to be fulfilling your orders out of 2 selected suppliers. Now, obviously Printify does have a quality promise. These are good print providers, but I know that some people are very specific about that. So just keep that in mind, and I want to be transparent that it is only selected suppliers. And depending on when that order is placed and where your customer is located, Printify is going to automatically route which one of those providers sends that item. So something to keep in mind, especially if your customer orders multiple things from your shop, it will be from a different supplier, which just means a separate shipment. And if the customer orders a large order, let's say they order a mug and 2 t-shirts, but they do express delivery for those t-shirts, their mug is not going to be included in that express delivery order. So you just want to be careful when you're doing this, be very transparent in your descriptions. So this is honestly huge, especially for Q4 coming up with all of our holidays coming up. So definitely check this out. Of course, Printify will be linked for you in the description. If you're not a seller on Printify yet, highly recommend checking out some of my other tutorials or just seeing their website in general and how many products they have to offer. They have the fastest shipping, fastest turnaround times that I've experienced, especially now with this express delivery. Now, there's one more thing that I want to mention to you about Printify that really is exciting to me, and that is the product inserts and tag options that are now being offered. So basically, we are now able to brand our items more depending on our shops. So in different suppliers like SwiftPod is now offering product inserts that you can put into the products that go for your orders. What this looks like is basically a thank you card. If you have ordered something before and you receive a little thank you note, sometimes they have a discount code for your next purchase. You can now do that in your print-on-demand store. And again, we're not holding inventory, so it's really cool that they now offer those inserts to your customers. I believe they are offering a promotion on that right now, so it's not an additional cost until next month. So if you do want to check that out, again, everything will be linked below for you for Printify. But it's just really exciting because that's such a personalized way of giving your customer something and thanking them for their order, because without the customer, you can't make the money. So it's just letting them know that they're appreciated by getting an order, and it's more of a branded experience. It makes it feel more real than just a transactional purchase. If you want to check out those inserts, I do believe they are, again, discounted until next month. So if you want to check that out, definitely do so. Let me know if you're going to use this feature, if you're going to check it out, or if you have any questions about it that I can answer. I would love to and just have a conversation about it. I am curious how many people are going to offer this feature, because I think it's really cool. And I hope that the more people that use it mean the more products that will be available on Printify come Q4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.